low back pain, you want to put up your dukes to get instant relief. So if you have back pain, lower back pain, here's two solutions for you. Solution number one, you're gonna put up your dukes, make your dukes, put up your fist, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna see there's two bones right here, right? You're gonna go in between the bone, and you're gonna feel like a little dent, right? You're gonna follow that dent until you're like, ooh, the dent, there's no more dent, right? So that's right there, okay? You're gonna massage that place. You're gonna massage it for 30 seconds and then move your back. This is if you have back pain in the muscles. Now, if you have back pain and it's like in your bones or causes sciatica, you wanna go down and actually a little bit, and then you'll find bone. And you wanna press on that bone really hard, okay? You can do that for both hands. And do that for 30 seconds and move your back around. It should instantly reduce your lower back pain. Make sure you follow me.
And I've had lower back pain for the last year and a half. I was taking 12 anti-inflammatory pills before coming to Dr. Yin, and now I'm not taking any anti-inflammatory pills, so I would highly recommend him. It not only helped me with my back pain, but I think it also helps you with, I got a lot of side benefits too. Helped me with my allergies. I noticed my dry skin is better. He helped me get rid of my ovarian cyst. It was 1 inch before I came here. So yeah, I would recommend him.
Who is the real doctor? Who's the best doctor? Who's the best doctor? It's not me. It's not Achieve Integrative Health. We are one of the best, but we're not the best. So let me ask you this: when you, when you're not feeling good, what do you like to do? What do? You go to your physician, right? And what do you, if you're like most people, you want your provider to tell you what is wrong with you, okay? And tell you what condition you have and stick a label on you, right? You want that diagnosis. Everybody wants that diagnosis. But what's the point of the diagnosis? Certain things, the diagnosis, it gives you more information, right? But other times, if your doctor can give you a label or diagnosis, then they are able to give you a medication, because pharmaceutical drugs are tied to diagnoses. Diagnoses are irrelevant. They only indicate what medication you're going to be given. In these situations, does medication heal you or does your doctor heal you? So who actually does the healing? It's actually neither. Neither does. Who does it really? So if neither the doctor nor the medication heals you, who is the true doctor? Who actually heals you? If you haven't guessed yet, it's you. Your body is the best doctor for your body. It's not for the doctor for anybody else's body, but it is the best doctor for your body. Because nobody's going to know your body better than you know that your body's going to know itself. So you have to learn how to be in tune with your body, and not just brush things off. Oh, I had constipation for 5 days. I haven't gone to the bathroom. Oh, it's just normal. No, it's not normal. Oh, I haven't urinated. I've only urinated 2 times today, or I've urinated, 100 times today. Yeah, that's not normal. Oh, I've got these. Oh, my neck is stiff. That's just normal. No, it's not normal. The reason why we run into issues is because we ignore our number one doctor. We ignore the most important doctor in our life. That's your body. Your body is the best doctor. Okay, you cannot expect other physicians to do it, because they will not do it. All right, they're going to prescribe you medications which will not reverse your health condition. It will mask and manage it. If you're looking for someone to heal you, you must look to yourself. Look at the person in the mirror, because there's no one in this world who can heal you but yourself. So, you want to know who wrote these magical words? It's one of my latest book, Achieve a Life of Wellness. Yes, I wrote it right there, Jimmy Ann. You can get this book at our clinic or on Amazon. And it's just I just gave you a little tidbit from my book, Achieve a Life of Wellness. How to basically the roadmap on how to restore your organ function. It doesn't give you all the how-tos because it's a thin book, it's a very fast read, but you need a roadmap first. You need a roadmap on where to go, who to go to, and then you can go to the right physician if you need that extra help, because sometimes we are so sick that we can't identify what's going on in our own body, right? So our number one doctor is confused. So you may need another doctor, another healthcare practitioner to communicate with your doctor and your number one doctor, which is your body, and try to figure out what is going on. Not to give you a medication or a supplement, is to figure out what's going on and what you need to do to restore that function. So if you need that help, if you're having a hard time communicating with your own doctor, which is your body, right, and interpreting the data from your body, then give us a call. Achieve Integrative Health. We are the number one acupuncture and wellness clinic in Central Texas, so we can help you demystify and translate what your number one doctor is telling you, what your body's telling you. All right, guys, if you need that extra help, give us a call. All right.